Welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain the problems from simple interest, compound interest and percentages. If we see first problem, if 120% of x equals to 36, then find 20% of x. Okay, so this is the first problem. 120% of x equal to 36. So first of all we have to find the value of x. So 120% means 120 by 100 into x is equals to 36. Okay. So here 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 table 6 are, 2 table 5 are. So remaining is 6 by 5 equals to 36. Okay. So transfer this term to this side. It will become x is equals to 36 into 5 by 6. Okay. So 6 ones are 6 6 are. So 6 into 5 30. So we got the value x is equals to 30. Okay. So we have to find the value of 20% of x. 20% of x. So 20% of x. X value is 30. So 20% means 20 by 100 into 30. So 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 3s are 6. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. If you see second question, the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on a principal sum of 24,000 in 2 years at same rate of percent is 60 rupees. The rate of percent is. So when they give in the question the difference between these two interests, so we have to use the formula Si is equal to P into R by 100 whole power T. Okay. So Si is 60 rupees because Si and C are equal. So 60 is equal to principal 24,000 into R we have to find. So R by 100 whole square. Okay. So 6 here 0 0 gets cancelled. How means if I transfer this term to this side, it becomes R by 100 whole square is equals to 60 by 24,000. So here 0 0 gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6 400s are. So R square by here 100 square. Okay. So 100 square means 10,000 is equals to 1 by 400. Okay. So if I transfer this term to this side, R square is equals to 10,000 by 400. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So R square is equals to 25. R will be root 25. So R is equals to 5%. So this is the rate percent. Okay. If you see third question, Sohan decreased his expenses by 25%. Later he decreased them further 10%. By what percent did he expenses decrease it together? So first time he decreased it 25% and the next time he decreased it 10%. So they are asked that together. So some 35%. But this is wrong. So like this we should not do. Here for this models one formula is there. Together percent is equals to x plus y plus xy by 100. So this is the percent where x and y are percent. Okay. So the first percent is minus 25 because it decreased. So it is decreased means x is minus 25% and y is minus 10% because it is also decreased. So substitute these values in this form. Minus 25% minus 10% minus plus minus 25 into minus 10 by 100. Okay. So minus minus 25 minus 10 minus 35 plus, because it is plus, because here minus into minus plus only, so there is no change. So minus 25 into minus 10, 250 by 100. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 table 5s are 2s are. So this step here writing. So minus 35 plus 5 by 2, which means minus 35 plus 5 by 2 means 2.5. Okay, so it will be minus 32.5%, because we are subtracting. Here the more value for is negative sign, so we have to subtract. Okay, and the negative sign will not be considered. So this is the together percentage. Okay, if you see fourth question, a sum of money becomes 6,400 in 2 years and 8,100 in 4 years on compound interest. Find the rate of compound interest. So the formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Okay, so this is the formula, and before going to sum, this is from compound interest. So we have to use this formula. So first case is amount 6,400 in 2 years. So 6,400 is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power square, because 2 years. Okay, so this is the first one, and the second one in 8,100, this is the amount, and in 4 years means P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 4. This is the second one. Okay, so divide 2 from or 2 by 1. Okay, so divide 2 by 1, because this is 4. Whole power 4 means more number. If this is in denominator, the number will be small. So take it is in numerator. So 8,100 by 6,400 is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 4 by P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 2. Okay, so here P gets cancelled. Here two zeros gets cancelled. So, or this can be written as 81 by 64 is written as 9 by 8 whole square, because 9 square 81, 8 square 64 is equals to, here these two are same bases, but here two exponents or two exponents are dividing means power should be subtracted. So this is written as 1 plus R by 100 whole square, because these two are same bases, so power subtracted. 4 minus 2, 2. So here powers are equal, which means bases are equated. So 9 by 8 is equals to 1 plus or 100 plus R by 100, because if we take the LCM, it will be 100 plus R by 100. Okay, so if you see next process, and the next one, 9 by 8 is equals to 100 plus R by 100. So here 4 table 25s, because we have to transfer these terms. So 9 by 2 is equals to 100 plus R by 25. So transfer these terms like this, cross multiplication. So 9 into 25 is equals to 2 into 100 plus R. It becomes 9 into 25, 225 is equals to 200 plus 2R. We have to multiply. This is in bracket. So transfer this term to this side. It becomes 225 minus 200 is equals to 2R. So it becomes 225 minus 200 means 25. So 25 is equals to 2R. So if you cancel these two, R is equals to 12.5%. So this is the rate of percent. Okay. If you see fifth question, if Rama borrowed 1,25,000 at 8% compounded annually, what will be the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years? So he borrowed 1,25,000 means that is the principal. So principal is equals to 1,25,000 and at 8% means rate of percent 8% and the time is 2 years. So apply the formula of compound interest, which means amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Okay. So amount is equals to 1,25,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. Okay. So amount will be 1,25,000 into, this can be written as 108 by 100 into 108 by 100 because this is in square, and if we take the LCM, the numerator will be 108. Okay. So here 2 zeros gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, and 5 table 25 are 2s are, and 2 ones are 254s are. So if we multiply, and here amount will be 25 into 108 into 54. Okay. So amount is equals to multiplication. So 54 into 25 means 0, 5, 3, 1. 1350. So 54 into 25 means 1350. So 1350 into 108. And again we have to multiply with 108. So 1350 into 108, 0, 0, 4, 8, 1, 0. Plus 0, 5, 3, 1. So 0, 0, 8, 5, 4, 1. So the amount will be, amount is equals to rupees 1,45,800. So this is the amount he has to pay at the end of 2 years. Okay. So this is the fifth question. This is sixth question. In what time will 8750 at 8% per annum simple interest earn a total interest of 6 by 25th of the principal? So first take principal as x. So the amount will be 6x by 25. Okay. So we have to find the time. So time is equals to 100I by P into R. So 100 into I means 8. So why I wrote like this means, before taking the variables in very simple form, here the 6 by 25th part is interest by principal is equals to 6 by 25th part, because interest earned in a total interest of 6 by 25th part of principal means interest by principal 6 by 25. Okay. So interest by principal is equals to 6 by 25 means like this we can write easily. Okay. So 6, 2 table 3 times, 4 times, 25 ones are, 25 fours are. So 4 gets cancelled and the remaining is 3. So 3 is nothing but 3 years. So 3 years is the time to complete or give the amount. Okay. If we say seventh question, x is 5% of y is 24% of z. If x equals to 480, then find the values of y and z. So here they give two equations and we have to find the yz values, and they gave one of the clue. The clue is x equals to 480. So first equation is x is 5% of y. So x is 480. So 480 equals to, is means equals to 5% of y. Okay. So 480 is equals to 5 by 100 into 1. Of means into. So 5 ones are 5 20s are. So we have to transfer this term to this side. Then we can get y value. So y is equals to 480 into 20, which means 9600. So this is the y value. Okay. So if we find the z value, we have to use this equation. So y is 24% of z. Y value is 9600. So 9600 is equals to, is means is equals to 24% means 24 by 100 into z. Okay. So 2 table 12s are, 2 table 50s are, 2 table 6s are, 2 table 25s are. So we have to transfer these two terms to this side. Okay. So z is equals to 9600 into 25 by 6. It will be reciprocal after transferring. So 3 table 2s are 3200s are. So 2 ones are 2 1600s are. Here multiply 25 into 16, which means 400. So 400 0, which means 40,000 is the value of z. Okay. So these are the yz values, and they asked in the question, what are the yz values? So these two are yz values. Okay. So this is the 7th question. If you see 8th question, if a number is x is 10% less than the another number y, and y is 10 more than the 125, then x equal to. So x is equals to y minus 10% of y. How means? Here they already clear mentioned 10% less than the another number y. So y minus 10% of y. So y minus 10 by 100 into y. 0 gets cancelled. Y minus y by 100. Y by 10, which is equals to 9y by 10. So this is the x value. And if we say y value, y is 10% more than the 125, which means 125 plus 10% of 125. Okay. So 125 plus 10% means 10 by 100 into 125. So 0 gets cancelled. So 125 plus 125 by 10, which is equals to 125 plus 12.5, which is equals to 137.5. So this is the y value. Okay. So if you substitute this y value in this, so here we got the x value as 9y by 10. So if you substitute this y value in this, so 9 into 137.5 by 10. So it will give the answer as 9 into 1375 by 100. For removing this point, I am keeping 10 multiplied. So 1375 into 9 means 5, 4, 7, 6, 3, 1. So the value of numerator is 12375 by 100. So it is equals to 123.75. So this is the x value. Okay. And this is the today topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.